You can smile.
Oh.
You say hi.
Hi.
Hello. All right, guys. So today we're gonna go to Empower Adventure Park. Is that what it's called?
Yes.
The Empower Adventure Park. It's me and the wifey's anniversary weekend, and it's her birthday. The big
27.
27. Yeah, 27. Let's go with that one. We're in a little bit of a rush because I didn't know that we needed cash to tip the what are they called? Helpers? The guys?
The guides, yeah.
The guides. Yeah. So we ran over to Publix to go get some cash, and then now we're gonna go get suited up and do the whole ziplining thing. Should take about 2.5 hours, 2 hours-ish or something like that. So we're just gonna be shooting all day and showing you what we're doing. So we'll see you soon.
Talk to you for hours, and we stay up all night. And when morning came, we'd make breakfast in bed. I don't know why I threw away what we had. What's wrong with me? I don't know why I threw it all away. A picture of you, 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 a picture of you.
All right, some final thoughts. What do you think? Did you have a good time?
Oh, it was great.
Yeah? Would you go back?
Great. Yeah.
Yeah, I'd go back too. It was a blast. We got all kinds of pictures and whatnots. That's pretty much the end of the day. We're gonna go, well, she's gonna go watch some football and eat some food. And I gotta get some work done, and hopefully I can join her afterwards. But I hope you guys liked the video, because that's pretty much it for this one. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, by the way, this is the wifey.